Hello guys! Do you have one of these old Ford keys and want to upgrade to this one? I can show you. To open this key, we need to remove the battery lid, and this one battery lid has a hidden notch inside here. Let's see if you can see that. Is it possible? Okay, it's in here. And here we go. Battery. And then to the tricky part. To open this, there are no screws. So you have to force it open. And then this Sega ring plier is an excellent tool. It will come out with a bang, so keep it inside your hand. And here we have it. This one you need to lift out carefully, of course. Here we go. This is a chip with all the 3 switches and the immobilizer antenna. This one fits only one way around and should be just lie down here. Hopefully, let's see. Here we go. It's a small notch down here, which is to align the circuit board. So, then we need to assemble this part, and then also this part. The key I got is also got from Aliexpress, and this is a cutout just by taking a picture of the old one. I will provide some pictures of it in the screen here somewhere. Now is the tricky part, to the spring. This spring, I don't know if it's possible to see, but inside here there is a slot for this tiny bit in here, and that slot only accepts the spring to be set one way. Okay, you can feel it that it has engaged in the slot. See, I should do this. Okay, looks good so far. This back piece has a raised plastic piece over here. This one is supposed to catch this one. So it's supposed to lie like this. So to tension the spring, you need to make sure that the spring is on this first notch, and then you turn it one way around. This way you have got tension on the spring. Let's see. Yes. Good. And then everything snaps in place. Need to install the battery. Not this way, but this way. Like this. And then you have the cover. No, not this was the old cover. You have the new cover, which then fits over here. But of course, we need to install the screws. One short and one long. The short one goes on the bottom, and the long one on the top. So, oh, small things, these screws. Here we go. And the short one at the bottom. Then we need a small screwdriver. You can feel slight tension when it's bottom out. So, then to the battery again, and the top lid. This is just smacks in place. It has some notches, hooks on each side. And there you have it. One brand new Ford key. Okay, so there you have it. It was done in a few minutes. Old, worn, sorry, wrong side, this side, Ford key. Brand new Ford key. Excellent. I provide links for all the parts you need down below. All bought from Aliexpress as usual. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.